Are you ready? Are you ready?
Hey, Scott Oshman here for the Mongos Coach Rowe Show. God, Coach, the love in here is just phenomenal. How are you today?
Good, man. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Short week this week, I guess, if you want to call it, because of 5 o'clock stars. That screw up your whole mojo for the day, for the routine?
You know, it's just everything happens a little bit faster. I forgot to print up the 2 deep, right? We talked about that. But no, otherwise, you know, your work week's the same and everything. So you just get a little bit earlier start and you prepare the kids for it. We just move our routine up a couple hours and get it done.
Any other thing, you know, again, we talk about it, Tim and I, the pregame, the kids, even when we play basketball against Jackson, for Glacier Peak fans, I mean, the kids, it's a big rivalry maybe, Snohomish, maybe it's the adults. What's the mentality of the kids this year? They got it kind of out of their system last year. What's the mentality coming into tonight?
No, this is always a big game. This is the one that the kids, because they literally live across the street from each other, you know, and so they grew up, you know, hanging out in cul-de-sacs together. So they definitely know all these guys, and it's going to be a rowdy crowd. It'll be fun. It'll be fun over there on that sideline.
Anything big tricks for your offense? We always like to get the big tricks out of the way.
No, we're gonna see if we can get after these guys a little bit and get physical with them and see what happens.
All right, this should be a dandy. It's the Mongos Coach Rowe Show up next coming. It's game time. It's kickoff right here on STSPN.com.